Hello, hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you doing, guys? Hello there. Let me just type into the chat and I can maybe put here some pool again. I'm gonna just build it here meanwhile and we can get started. Wait, let me play some music that you cannot hear. Hopefully, because I would get probably kicked out. Piotr, hey man, how are you doing? Pozdrawiam. Da da da. It seems like everything works fine. YouTube, as usual, is not updating, but okay, now it seems like it works as it should. Piotr, can you hear me well? Please do let me know, and hopefully we can get to be productive today. We're gonna be a bit shorter stream. We'll see. OBS is ignoring my sound devices as usual, so I can't. Yes, can you hear me? Perfect. Thank you. So we're probably gonna kind of ignore what I wanted to do, which was playing some games on the end, but we'll see. Maybe it's still a potential possibility. We'll see, but OBS is certainly not just ignoring my sound devices again. I'm glad it at least noticed the mic. I think it's more of an issue with Windows devices, because Windows 11 has been so far more of a catastrophe rather than anything. But hey, that's where we are. Okay. Hey gamers. Hey Barry, how are you doing, man? Happy to see you here. Okay. So I got here a few things I would like to get done today, at least this stream, and we will see how it goes down. So let's put random run event here. And mainly, one thing that's been somewhat bothersome to me, and I don't actually know how to fix it, so we'll have to see, is that right now the deer here is rotating like crazy. Not just deer, but all of them. It's just most prominent on something like deer. Someone like deer, I suppose. Let's not misgender him. Poor deer. And if he starts turning, you can see that the turning speed is super fast. So there should be some setting, and I ideally want to probably do it on the base class. On the base class, that's gonna tweak our movement. I'm gonna just search through this. Meanwhile, guys, how are you doing? Let me know and tell me what you're working on. Have anything cool to work on lately? I'm sure you all have been like insanely productive. So come on, come try to put me in shame a little bit. Is there like a rotation rate? Because there is a setting for. Wait, I don't think even. No, that's an NPC base. I'm correct. There should be a setting for how much is it rotating. Data level transition, no. And that setting, but it's probably overridden. You know what? Yeah, let's actually fix it into deer first. And if it works here, we can see. I think it's called. We have here pawn rotation, right? It's a it's called rotation rate. Okay. So is it really just this thing? So if I slow it down, let's say I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna set like 1. Is it gonna slow down the rotation like crazy? Yeah, but then it's gonna create some nonsense like this. And what I want is to keep the rotation as it is. I just want it to happen faster. Wait, what if we enable orient rotation to movement? Just see what it's gonna do. Excuse me, deer, not deer. It's a Dr. Deer. No, that's clearly not the issue here. Okay, so this is not the solution. If it's on 360, he does these insane, well, 360, who would have thought, turns, and he's just gonna rotate and goes like crazy super fast. So I'm gonna assume if I speed it up, he's gonna just rotate even more. So I do want rotation rate, I just want to slow down the speed in which he's rotating. Yeah. Okay, he just does the... He just goes even faster. Hmm. Look at him, such a happy deer. Yeah, that's not quite it. Okay, what if we do something like 45? One was a bit too extreme, it wasn't rotating at all. But if you do something like 45, how is that gonna work? Amazing. He must really love this mountain. Okay. Hmm. That's better, clearly. I don't feel like the rotation animation is properly running there, though. Let's see. Okay, yeah, never mind. It is. It is. It's just not super visible. But it's probably will have to be tweaked per character, so I don't think that's a universal setting. Yeah. Maybe it's because of the center point of the actor? Let's see. Maybe I want a tutorial on movement mechanics in games, getting over it. Well, if you want tutorial like that, you better make it. I'm sure people would appreciate it. Hey, SJ Gaming. You know, I want many things, and most of them are out of this world, I'm afraid. Okay. No, we can't ignore the base rotation. Let's see what it does now when I just rotate it around it. So now he should be rotating around this point. At least that should maybe add a little bit on the... Okay, that seems a bit better. Yeah, but now it causes these weird rotations. But I guess this is not that bad. Let's see if we increase it slightly. We go something like... no, you know what? Actually, before that, I want to test it in the real game. Let's try to land here. Excuse me. Would you mind? Okay, he's not very social, clearly. Oh, that's not the landing I was thinking about. Let's see. Now he's gonna fall asleep. No. Okay, never mind. This actually looks pretty good. This looks way better than I thought it will. Especially when I'm actually sitting there. Oh no, he's fell asleep. That's probably not gonna be. Not gonna be quite what we were looking for, but at least this is a good opportunity to land on a better place. No, not on this place, ideally. No! Oh, okay. Managed to land, it's fine. I don't know, man. It feels like it's not quite where I want it. Let's see if I look at it from above. It feels like it's quite off. If he's walking a little bit of a distance and it's like on a little bit rotated location, then it's fine. But once he's walking on a higher one, then it doesn't seem to work very well. Yeah, let's see if we increase it to like 70. Like 90 is gonna be too much of a jump, so let's try like 70. Let me see. Alright, seems like it works fine. Let's see. Okay, now he rotates much faster, but how does it go with when he rotates just a little bit? Okay. Seems better. Let's try to ride this deer for a bit. Okay, 70 seems like a good middle ground. Okay, guys, let's all take a nap. It's fine. They need some break. It's fine, guys. Don't worry about it. What you drinking tonight, guys? I got actually some pretty chill sweetened fruit tea. It's a bit late here. It's like 9 p.m. So I shouldn't drink anything caffeinated. Not like last time. I was drinking green tea at like 11 or 12 p.m. at p.m. That wasn't very good. So what are you drinking? Anything cool? Okay, either way, this seems actually decent. Can walk around a bit more. Yeah, honestly, I think this works. How it goes with other ones. I just hardcode this as a default for everything. Let's see it. I can do it as 70 on all of them and then potentially adjust it. Let's see what it actually sets them at. Needs-based AI. I guess the chicken is the one that where it would actually make sense to just run around like crazy. Okay, 70 here one. Here it's fine. Deer we already did. That's test actor. Fox. 70. Also 70 and 40. Well, 70. That's good. Okay, let's see them. Okay, actually, seems doable. Maybe adjust the characters. Yeah, I think what makes it look so strange is when the center pivot point of the mesh is not in the front, on like the front paws or front legs. So can we adjust this a little bit? Okay, yeah, when I look at it, something like this. And it doesn't matter too much in something like a chicken here, because that's exactly in the pivot. But when there are animals that are longer than they are tall, I suppose, then it can create this strange rotation, strange nonsense when it's trying to move around. Because all of a sudden, center point is not the center point anymore. And we know that this is around which it is rotating. Was great content. Interesting choice of art style. Well, thank you kindly. You would only suggest to have content that will keep player curious and entertained. Well, thank you kindly. I am planning to. So I'm very much, this is what I was working mostly until now. It's like having here some AI system and a bunch of visuals and interactions and building the world. And right now I am exactly as you are suggesting. You are very much right in that. Working on different interactions that the player will be able to do here. So last time we, for example, did that you can land on each animal, let him just run there. It's supposed to be quite a cozy game where you just walk around, and it doesn't really have story or anything like that. It's more about well, I suppose it has a story, but not in a traditional sense. That you just do and you just walk around and chill with your animals. Can we ride the chicken? Let's ride the chicken. But you can, wait, no. But there will be many different interactions and puzzles that you can do and let the world interact with itself. Oh no, I got killed by a pig. That's not nice. I got trapped under that pig. That's not good. So your suggestion is quite exactly what I'm working on at the moment. Either way, guys, if anyone is interested, you got the link in the description and you can wishlist Lost Harmony right away and get properly notified when the game is released. Or even for the demo that will hopefully be into January. We will see. Maybe I will wait with the demo a little bit longer to have more of the interactions, but I'm probably gonna. Excuse me. Would you mind if I just land on you? No! Come on. It's a very small body. I suppose it's not that usual for a bird to be riding on chicken. Come on. There we go. Look at that. Amazing. Just managed to land on a sleeping chicken. I think that animation is supposed to be looping. Gonna be a chicken warrior here. Wait, let me adjust it. Oh gosh, I'm so glad I spent actually time implementing this. No! Stay, sleep. There we go. I'm so glad I spent some time implementing this attachment system. It's so much fun that you can just land onto anything. Yes, indeed. Got ourselves a taxi. She's gonna take us anywhere. Perfect. This is what perfection looks like. Let's ride on another taxi. Okay, honestly, this is pretty cool. I can get there like a bunch of achievements that you will have to like ride all the animal within 5 minutes or something like that. That could be pretty cool. What do you think, guys? Some ideas for crazy achievements? Let's play the game for Fox. Excuse me, you interested in playing game? Nah, she's busy eating right now. Oh, she's happy, but I wanted to kinda like do something, play game. Excuse me. Oh, there we go. Now she knows we are playing. Oh, she got stuck. Let's get the ring though. Okay, this is way more difficult than I thought. Let's see. Oh, come on. Almost there. Let's see. I should probably not be speeding up that much. Oh, we got hit. Oh, I see. The issue here got with the interaction. That's fine though. Did the collisions on it broke? That's weird. I'm pretty sure this should let me pass through. Show me the fox. And the circle we are sitting there. What do collisions here look like? Oh, I think it may have actually. Yeah, look at that. It's blocking the player. Okay, we're gonna be overlapping player, not blocking him. And here I was wondering, how am I doing it? Okay. I was thinking like, am I that bad at flying through circles? That's not very appropriate. Come on, let's play. Excuse me, I'm right here. Oh, she got stuck. Got distracted by something else. Now, come on. I think I got through it now. Yeah, it's gone. Okay, perfect. Now we try to access it, but that's fine. But we can actually fix it. You know what, while we are at it. It was in... Oh, wait, what kind of actor are we destroying here? Here we don't care that much, do we? No, it's gonna be in the fox. And we wanna make sure that this happens only when it's valid. There we go. Gonna be nice and protected here. Alright, perfect. Okay. Okay, that's kind of good. Maybe I would rework that rotation rate for a chicken slightly, because she's super small. But we can, other than that, I feel like they're pretty good. Let's put here a rotation rate. And this one, let's do like 180. Alright. Let's land on her again. The easiest, best way how to check if your chicken is properly working is to ride her. Oh gosh, these guys don't take this out of context. I don't want to see any clips on YouTube. Could end pretty awfully, not gonna lie. Excuse me. There we go. Let's go. Let's see how that running goes right now. Oh, she's tired. It's fine. It's okay. Very tired chicken, apparently. Okay, there we go. Yeah, okay, this is better rotation rate. Really will need to adjust it mostly per actor. Amazing. This is pure art. I don't know how else I would describe it. This is amazing. Okay, let's land out of the chicken. Okay, land out of the chicken. What did I just say? I did the exact opposite. Alright, I think we can move this from testing into... Wait, I can't move it here apparently. Let's move it into done. Good job, guys. Thank you for your support. Wouldn't do it without you. Well, I would, but... Alright, random running event. So, I had here originally a separate event for running, but I think it's just messing things up. So I'm gonna I'm gonna fix it apparently. Head or so, it was yeah, it's a pleasure. I don't think I would be even close to where I am without my respect, guys. especially you, of course, or anyone else who would mention himself. We didn't put any pool on Discord today. Did we get here any ideas? Let's see. Any ideas we want for a pool today? What do we have here? Anything creative or Wait, I can find it. Am I blind? Oh, there it is. Gonna do poll. QAs are a bit messy. What we gonna do it? You know what? Are we gonna do wish list yet? I know, very original. And this is gonna be yes and no. Amazing. And this is. Oh, okay. I think I'm really good at this YouTube game. Perfect. There you go, guys. Go vote. Go vote. Decide a good flight system. Thank you. Thank you. Spent many weeks on it, so I hope it's gonna be good. I think that's gonna have to be tweaked a bit, a bit more as I go. But I'm glad you like it. It definitely is much better than it was before. And I agree, Trello is definitely, even for the smallest possible projects, always set up yourself some Trello or some task management system. You will very much thank yourself later. It's really cool. Let's see. So what did we get? What are we voting for? Yes and no, or wishlist yet? All right. So we got 33% wishlist yet and 67% yes or no. What do you mean by it, guys? I don't even know what I meant by this. What do you mean by it? How can you vote if you don't know what you mean? That's some level of arrogance right there. To say, guys, you are absolutely amazing. Okay, let's go. We've won yeah, running event. So for that we're gonna have to go into STT, which is gonna be down here. State 3 is STT, and we are looking for a move to... No, not the run to random location. That's what I actually can copy a bunch of stuff from here, but I mainly need move to random location. And these we will... Actually, I can probably just copy all of this. Let's see. And instead of running here a event, we're gonna do here a branch. That's gonna be a pool with weight. And the weight for it is gonna be our input parameter, which is our probability of run. So let's put here a float, and this is gonna be our run probability. And this is a input parameter. That's what we are setting right in here. If it's false, we're gonna go into regular walking. And let's maybe comment it at this point. Merry Christmas! Hey, yeah, how are you doing, man? Merry Christmas to you too. And Merry Christmas to everyone, guys. Okay, amazing. Very cool. Almost would forget about it. Very much a happy and Merry Christmas, guys. Okay. How are you celebrating? It's 25th, right? Yeah, it is 25th. So who here has gotten all the cool gifts and already celebrated Christmas? Because to be fair, I did it like 22nd or 21st, something like that, with my partner because we had here some complications with the time management. But I am like 5 days ahead of everyone. But I don't know about you guys. When do you celebrate? Because I think in America it's 25th, right? That's when you open the gifts. Because in Europe, and at least when I was growing up, and in Sweden, in Sweden, in Czech Republic, it's on 24th. Actually, 24, not 25th. 25th, yeah. Okay, this is just walking, and here we're gonna have. Excuse me. Where did I just write it? '24th in Poland. Yeah. That's. I think Poland is gonna have it same as. I think that's a rule for most of the Europe that 25th is 24th evening. 24th is when you celebrate it. But in America it's like morning 25th. It's interesting how did it differ. Doesn't even know the historical context for why that it is the case, because I don't think I wonder, are there other countries that have it other than 24th? UK, right? Yeah, that's probably the reason, right? UK has it on 25th morning, and yeah, 24 Germany. Thank you, MC player. I haven't talked with you before, so welcome. Happy to talk to you. But yeah, because in UK I believe they have it on 25th as well, and that's probably why they set it in America based on the British traditions. Would be my guess. Wait, no, I don't want to promote it. I just want to make it a variable. Well, yeah, now it's gonna pretend like it doesn't exist as a variable. Guys, tell you the difference. Find five differences between these two variables, except the fact that this one has an error. Okay. Random location radius. Is there a way just to make it? Yeah, now I can create it. Why couldn't I do it there? Did I just oversee it? Or was it not here? I don't know, man. A bit strange. It's all about vegetation. Wait, what do you mean vegetation? You sure you mean vegetation? Yeah. Or am I just misreading it and it's something else? No, I think that's that means plants. You mean you don't mean vegetation, do you? I think that is a different word, but I don't remember which one. Okay, random location radius, we can just fill for both of them. Okay. Random location radius, that's a minimum, that's fine. And we could probably implement the same thing here. Or do we care for walking? Nah, probably not. Okay. This should probably do the trick. Except we need these as inputs. Okay, let's go back in here, and in our walk to location, we are gonna supply all the parameters here. So run probability is right in here. Run probability, this is our running speed. So what did you get anything good, guys? Do you get anything any cool gift you wanna flex about? I gotta tell you, I got the best gift I got. I don't know if it's the best gift, but a really good gift I got was just a boiling kettle. Because you know I'm quite a tea enjoyer myself, not gonna lie, and then I had like a regular one. You press it, it just boils up to 100, and that's a problem because as fellow tea enjoyers will know, different teas require different temperatures. So I always had to like weirdly mix it up with cold water to get the exact temperature I want. But now I have really nice kettle that's measuring. That's I can set specific temperature it goes on, etc., etc. And what's even better is that it's a Xiaomi kettle, which means China can spy on me now. So we get it nicely covered. Yay! I got wait, FCT. What's VCT? Wait, what's VCT? Oh wait, is that like for audio? Audio plugin? Which instrument? Ah, gotcha. Yeah. I know now. I almost know. I actually used to see it capitalized. So VCT is with small letters. I was like, wait, what? My brain does not recognize the shortcut. Not sure if I would do much better if it wasn't, but hey. Either way, very cool. Cool. What were you working on? Anything cool you wanna share? If you send it to me on Discord, we can on Discord or somewhere I can play it. Okay, let's set the parameters now. Did I pass it properly? No, that's run to location. I want walk to location. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so let's just test it first. Run probability we're gonna set to 1. The root of the Christmas date comes from some vegetation stuff, but the difference comes from the thing that in states they celebrate Christmas and we are celebrating Christmas Eve. Oh, that makes a lot of sense. Yeah, okay, I can see that. That makes a lot of sense. Thank you for clarifying that. Interesting. Christian churches have celebrated Christmas Eve in part because it believed that Jesus was born at midnight. Yep. That's the case. Yeah, I'm not quite a Christian anymore, but I grew up as one because it runs in my family as you would. And I remember having to go into a midnight. How do you call it? Jesus, I don't even know in English. In like a midnight. Oh come, how do you call it, guys? When you go into a church and the pastor, like a priest, talks about all kinds of important things that I have definitely paid attention to. Oh, I don't remember. I'm sure that you know way better than I do. Fair 200. Either way, I remember having to go. Well, not having to go. I wasn't forced, but I definitely did not want to. Mass, is it? Nah, wait. I had to Google VST. Yeah. Church. Got some books, the Donald Duck, the Free, and one about Java. Oh, that's cool. Very cool. The tree? What do you mean, book the free? That sounds at least interesting. It's quite a nice combo though. Books, comic books about Donald Duck, and then some book about programming in Java. That's some proper combo right there. But wait, what we were doing? Midnight Mass. Is it really called Mass? It could be. Wait, let's call it Christian. No, not Christian Bale. Christian. We can't quite call it celebration, right? What would be a good word? Without mass, not religious at all. Yeah, I mean, I'm not at all anymore. But well, anyway, I don't think I ever was. But I grew up in the environment. Pentecost, Palm Sunday. Okay, never mind. This is completely off. Let's Google Christian terminology. I know all of these terms, but I don't know them in English. Let's see. Glossary of Christian terms. Let's see. We're gonna learn here. See, this is why no one goes there anymore. This is exactly the reason. Okay. Okay, no, never mind. This is all useless. It's called Sunday something. Come on. Sunday prayer, Sunday. You know what? Service? I think it's service. Church service is a formalized period of Christian communal worship often held in the church building. Yep, I think it's called Christian service. No. I was talking about this, but that may have been me not properly describing it. So I take all the critique right there. Okay, interesting. Service. Okay. What we were doing? I got surprisingly distracted. We're working with a random running around, right? Let's see it now. So we set the run probability to 1, so he should now, instead of random walking, he's gonna just sprint like crazy. And he does no such a thing. Let's see. Excuse me, sir. Let's try to debug a little bit. Because I have seen before the bug being that, yeah, of course, it does not update it. Do you see that? I had a suspicion it's gonna be the case. Let's set this to 1. Oh no, the deer is gonna get me out of the demo area. That's not good. You see, actually, it will be pretty funny. This would be a way how to explore, how to... Oh no, he just went to sleep, never mind. Wait, let me actually activate one thing. I wanna have instant replay enabled. Because this is... I can just keep it on defaults, I guess. Because it's so useful to be able to just always save some recording. Okay. Wait, no, he's still walking, but I think it may have not just updated. This may be just set only in the defaults set only. Oh, what you eating there? Huh. Excuse me. Eating something there, no clue what. And he's apparently very happy with it. Oh. Okay, we gotta restart this. Okay, let's get here a deer. Oh, well, he is running now. I'm gonna tell you that. Oh, how did he get there? Excuse me. Did he just... Wait, what? Did I hallucinate? See, this is why you want to have it set up. Let's open it. They actually see him disappear there. Okay, it still looks like he just disappeared. Well, either way, that's it. Did I make the 3D models by myself? Oh no, I did not make a single model here. They are all from Unreal Marketplace and other sources. I think this is almost all from Unreal Marketplace. I'm not quite a fan of making 3D models myself, I'm afraid. Okay, let's try to hunt him. Okay, this time he's not gonna escape. I wanna try to ride him while he's just jumping around like crazy. Okay, there we go. Excuse me. No! Wait, but why is he walking normally now? Oh, he's walking probably towards food. Oh. Did that tree stop you? How could you let yourself be stopped by the tree? Huh. Oh, okay. Is the navigation towards food gets stopped by... Ah, I see. That could have been a problem. I think I am starting to have a suspicion what messes up that... walking. Let's see. Because I think what happens there is that he starts... Oh no. This is gonna be bad. Okay, this is great. Definitely a clip material. Okay, perfect. Let's go. I want to just double check that the issue is where I think it is. I have, by the way, recently, guys, I have looked a little bit into text to 3D, like AI LLM models. I am not about to scare anyone, but it's getting there. It's progressing, and it's certainly progressing fairly fast. Wait, why am I opening the same thing twice in a row? Stop being stupid. It's not. I don't think I haven't seen anything that's usable yet, but I have definitely seen things that are that I do see progressive development on it. So I don't. I honestly, the predictions are always all wrong. So whether we are gonna see anything this year, I have no clue. But if we do, I will not be too surprised. So we shall see. Cool small feature could be bad landing and good landing, perfect landing. Not sure how hard to implement, but would maybe give a. Maybe. What do you mean by that? Do you mean like a scoring based on how you land it, or like a text that is gonna display based on how you land it, or what do you mean? And let me see. Yes, it is exactly as I thought. So we wanna go. If it succeeded, then he goes into eating. And if he failed, he can go back to looking for food. He's just gonna repeat that. Okay, it should prevent that mistake. Do-do-do. Yeah, just 3 bubbles like bad, perfect for. Wait, let me just land first. Oh no. I think he's gonna go to sleep now anyway. I have hard code them with pretty low default sleep. Okay, let's go. Amazing. Okay. Just 3 variables, bad, good, perfect for when the bird lands, depending on the collision spot. Like if it's a head, you get perfect, just right. Maybe. Maybe. I'm wondering how can I make it a bit more universal. So you could, like, the easiest would be, of course, to check what kind of collisions you landed on, right? And if it's a good collision, then you get a good rating. But I'm wondering if we can get here some can be somewhat implemented. Would really be cool only if could only cool if the animal is moving though. Yeah, that's interesting, right? We could that's actually pretty easy because I can fairly simple, well, not easy, but fairly straightforward to implement because we can check based on how. So I already know whether what to think I'm landing on is a skeletal mesh or not, and so I could also just very easily check whether the actor I am hitting with my trace for landing is is the character blueprint, or if I wanna even simplify it, I can do it with NPC class. And if it is that, then I can check its velocity, and if that velocity is high enough, it's gonna like score you. You know what? I'm gonna write it down. That's actually an interesting idea. Definitely something to think about. It's gonna go in the backlog right now, not quite into something that's implemented anytime soon. But thank you for the idea. Definitely interesting. So scoring, landing on animals. Do. Yep. That could be very cool. Definitely. Let's see it here. And I wanted to adjust all of these probabilities. So I think Fox can have pretty high probability because she's gonna just like randomly run around. Our random run location. Random chase location, random run location. 10,000. That seems like a lot. Wait. 100 is a meter, right? So this is 100 meters. Okay, that's not that much. No, wait. Yeah, it's 100 meters. Okay. Let's see for the chicken. Do we have any running animation for the chicken? Um, wait, I need to check the. I need to check the animation blueprint. There we go. Ah, we do. Look how angry she is. Amazing. Okay. we got ourselves an NPC chicken. Let's get this NPC chicken to do. There's a 10% probability. Okay, that makes actually sense. I probably don't wanna see that much because with chicken it makes sense that not with chicken, with fox it makes kind of sense that she's gonna be very playful, she's gonna like run around, look at that smile, she's like, yes, let's play, and ignore the teeth. So I would like to have that probability pretty high. For the chicken, I think the probability still should be there, but it's not crazy high. She's like just running when she wants to, and she's probably not gonna be running into too far, so we can put here just about 50 meters. No, it can do even just like 25 meters. She's always gonna be moving between these locations in the radius of 25 meters from where she currently is. So that doesn't mean she cannot go from her starter point more than 25 meters. That's fine. It just means she's not gonna in one sprint run more than that. Okay, with Fox it can be super high. That makes sense. And mainly with what we care about is we need to navigate back there. Okay, I can open it in here. Our deer is perfect, but deer needs to have even higher random run location. I can do like 20,000 meters. 200,000, 200 meters, yeah. Because we can do even like 500 because it's still limited by a nav mesh, so it doesn't matter. It's never gonna go further than a nav mesh. And the run probability I wanna have here pretty high. 50-50 is a bit too much, but we can do like 0.3. Because also the difference between him running is pretty high. They have different max running speed. Here it's 300. Yep. And for the fox it's also 300. It's kind of funny that fox and a chicken run at the same speed, but hey, let it live. Okay. Okay, fox, chicken, and let's look at the pig and the wolf. So pig, I think it's gonna be super lazy, and I don't even know. Do I have here even a animation running setup for? Because I don't quite care if the pig is gonna run or not. That's the lazy member here. She's just chill. She's kind of like he or she is more bothered than anything. Okay, yeah, we do, but it looks kind of silly, honestly. I don't wanna rely on this too much. Can do here. I'm gonna just keep it on 0. Look, there will be still circumstances where you can call it to run, but it should not never happen just randomly. It's 150 and 800. That seems strange. 800, you sure? 500, that's what it should be. I had a suspicion. 500, and he's walking on like pretty small radius as well. 50 meters is fine. Okay, and for the wolf, it can run a bit. Let's make sure that the animation is set correctly. We got ourselves between 0 and yeah. Again, they have all kind of a similar animation for running, and I don't like that too much because it looks too repetitive. So that's why I'm adding different probabilities for them to run. So let's see. Okay, we can do like 0.05, something like that. It's like 5% is gonna run. That's pretty small. And location, yeah, they can be moving between pretty big radius. Okay, that should be pretty good now. Let's just delete all of them and add them again because the parameters are not properly set, I'm afraid. And now we can set it. Oh wait, one more thing I wanted to fix. We have here a base. Can I override this? There should be a way to override this. The parent actor should be NPC base, not NPC base actor. Ah gosh, okay, let's see. I'd rather do it now than later, honestly. Yeah, okay, it wiped it out. But I thought it will, so it's fine. Okay, I will have to just set it manually again. So this is a deer eating. Do we have any deer attacking? No. Can just clear it. This one we set pretty high. Wait, that's too much. 50,000, there we go. Attack range we don't care about. Running speed was different, and running probability we set like was 0.3 or so. And running speed here is 600. Yeah, is walking 150? Or is it higher? Oh, it's 200. Okay, perfect. Save this. Gotta go by. Alright, have a good one. Thank you for stopping by. Okay, let me return there now. But let's check if they all have proper parents now. Because I must have misclicked last time or whatever, but one was parented to a wrong actor. Okay, now they work perfect. It's just supposed to be a test actor. Alright. Let's go and let's duplicate here them one more time. See around here. And we can move some of these all the way in here. There we go. Let's see it now. Now we can actually play from the bird POV. Now we should get finally some interesting randomness. A King's Terrar, wait, A King's Roar, finally. Yeah. Sorry, my bad for butchering your name, and thank you kindly. I'm glad you like it. It's my game. It's called Lost Harmony. You can wishlist it on Steam already if it sounds interesting to you. And it's about a bird living in a post-apocalyptic world where you can just explore. It's a cozy world that you can return to and just chill and not worry about anything. There is not really any pressure on you. You just explore it. A good analogy is kind of like exploring nature and nature watching. That's probably pretty good analogy. All right, let's see. Okay, did it just mess? What happened? Oh wait, it did not have. Did not it properly set the rotation? That's strange. For the deer? What? It was working just a second ago. Are you kidding me? Oh, is the mesh not rotated correctly? Oh yeah, that's probably the case, eh? Yeah, okay. Ooh, here I thought. Here I thought we got here some trouble. That would not be pretty. We'd have to go down on the street and figure it out. Think I can beat you just because you are a deer? Gonna make a burger out of you. Okay, should work now. No more rebellion. Okay. 0.3 is maybe a bit too high now. It's just running like crazy. Wait, do they just... They ran through the building? Are you kidding me? Must be some collision issues. Let me see. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, they ran through here. Under the building. Okay, that actually may not necessarily be a issue. Because these things should be probably walkable. Suppose. Not this one, but other than that, I guess they should be able to get here. Well, they do now, so there you go. Yeah, but that 0.3 feels like super high. They're pretty funny though. Let's try to land on one of them. Okay, let's try to actually follow it this time. It really just goes from under the buildings and explores the whole area. That's pretty cool. Okay, am I done here? Thank you. Wait, let me land. Okay, that wasn't very good landing, not gonna lie. Okay, see, this is life. Just chill. Oh no, got stuck. And now he goes again. See, this is what, if I didn't do that fix last time, with changing the conditions for finishing movement, he would be eating already. But now he knows. He has to find a new location. It's all with the interrupting the state of walking. Which kind of looks pretty realistic because he's a bird. No, not the bird, he's a deer. So I suppose it kind of works. It's just taking him his time and walking there. Okay, take your time, my friend. No worries here. Okay. Wait. But is there a food? I can see it. Oh yeah, there is. Cool. Good. That's all like $3 and at the same time. That's what I could call success. Now he's gonna take a nap. All good. Oh. No, the wolf has it blocked. Excuse me. The wolf wants to eat, but the deer was blocking his food. He slept on it. Amazing. I just want to see him run. Like once when I'm on his back like this. Look, what a chill deer. Not worried about anything, just enjoying his life. Wouldn't you want life like this? Just chilling in forest. I have to get rid of the debug for printing the montage. He's so chill, he even refuses to show me how he runs. And now we can see the sun is setting even. It's getting darker. I can tell that the light on the light is getting much redder. That's because the sunset is happening. There you go. Got it. I don't know, man. Did get some gruesome endings in the wild. Not this one. These are chill. This is a lovely, cozy world. No issues here, right? Yeah, exactly. This is a game where they just relax and chill in nature. No gruesome deaths in here. But yeah, yeah, see, it's night. He decided that he has enough of everything. Just chills. No issues here. Exactly. This is a cozy world where no one has to die. Oh, what a lovely imaginary scenario. But honestly, guys, this is something that was partly, it wasn't strongest motivation, but it's something that I am noticing a lot. It's that that a lot of the cultural works, there's like a lot of sci-fi and a lot of even fantasy movies you see that come out, but especially sci-fi, are super depressing. It's just like, remember try to remember like the last good sci-fi movie or show that was got released, and it was about how positive and bright and amazing the future is gonna be. Because it's all depressing. The wolf waits to eat behind. Yeah, exactly. He just waits in line. It's no problem. Exactly. Yeah, like what do we like? We are thinking about, okay, what's the positive spin we can take on the future? You know, the most positive we are gonna get is a cyberpunk. There we go. Right, and then something like Starfield, but we saw that how that ended up. But even Starfield had like a lot of pretty negative. I suppose it had a little bit of a solar punkish positivity, but it still felt. It's like overall felt like the world is not very nice. I miss I really miss like a futuristic sci-fi shows that like Star Trek, right? Like very bright future, they're just full of hope and optimism, blah blah blah, all that. It's so somewhat annoying to me that we're completely missing these kind of shows now. That was definitely partly a motivation why I wanted to make the game like this, because I think everything needs a counterbalance. And if everything here is so negative future-wise, then that feels weird, and it's strange because I don't know if it's my personality to being genuinely, generally very optimistic, but I am incredibly hopeful and happy about the future. I can't wait. No, I can't wait. We are living in it, but I am very excited about where everything is going and how amazing the technology is. It seems a bit strange how all the portrays in media and not just in media, in I suppose media is the easiest way how to think about it, but even in the sentiment, how people think about it are so negative. I find it strange because it's like everything is going great, like mostly. Sure, there are things that are bad, but in general, everyone is everything. When we look at the actual data, is now much better than it used to be. Definitely, quality of life for everyone, it's so much better. Guys, again, it's amazing. People love focusing on negative. I suppose we have this weird fixation. I suppose. It may be it. Oh, weather sucks. Yeah, exactly. It's like everything is great except the weather sucks. And then because the weather sucks, everything goes to hell. Yeah, that sounds like few conversations I have had. But imagine, I know that feels to me so strange. Like imagine living in being like in your head, you are thinking about everything like this. That sounds horrible. Like you how can you enjoy your life when everything sucks? It's not very nice. Like even like of course bad things are happening, and we should do our best to like help everyone and fix that and all that, and that's very important. But in general, just better to be optimistic about everything. Yeah, sure. You wanna have you actually want to have realistic, and you want to have real data that you are looking at when you are judging something. But it's more about how are you thinking and feeling about doing it. It's like, okay, yeah, this sucks, but we can try to fix it, right? It's not like, oh, this sucks, so we are not doing anything. It's very much like, hey, let's try to do something about it. Ignorance is bliss when it comes to most media. Yeah, I suppose. I suppose. Yeah. I don't know. I don't watch that many stuff, which is also maybe the reason that there's a lot of things that are coming out and I just don't know about it. Like what I have been watching now is Hunter x Hunter. I'm really enjoying it. I've been reading a lot again. I'm reading a bunch of books, but mostly non. Well, I read a Asimov's Foundation, and now I'm reading mostly non-fictional books. But I don't really have a tendency or even a need to watch much of the new stuff. Okay. So what did we do here? Does anyone know? Hmm. Excuse me. How is this not working? It should automatically scroll, right? I'm not crazy for thinking that. So that was a animal rotation and random running command. So animal rotation, random running event, and that was fixed with yeah, going to eat bug fix. There we go. Look at it. I'm doing pretty great. Let's see. I got here a bunch of emotes that we're gonna do. So let's see here when they are tired, when they're hungry, sleepy, and playful. So let's see about it. Let's first see what we have access to. All right, there we get our Niagara. I'm feeling bad. We don't want to feel bad. No bad feelings here. No, I don't want to overdo it. Like also, you don't want to critique people for feeling bad. That's not the issue there. Okay, this was good. We want just to slow it down. And I adjusted it a little bit, the spawning it. So let's see. Feeling sulky. What's feeling sulky looking like? This emoji means sulking? I think I have been using it the whole time. Completely wrong. Really? Would this read to you as sulky? When someone is sulking, can you imagine this emote? This emoji? I don't know, man. It's not at all what I have ever thought about. Okay, we got here feeling good static. I think that's the one that I just... Wait, no, that's static. I am using the other ones. So in that case, I need feeling fatigue, normal, and feeling good, normal. Okay, so what I just did is to adjust the scale sprite size. All right, we can maybe add here a little bit of a velocity when it goes up. Let's add here a velocity and we're gonna move it on the... I don't wanna go that crazy. But I probably wanna do this. This one feels better like a spawn rate. No, actually, we can just keep it as a spawn burst, but we're just gonna do here a... Wait, this is infinite looping? Okay, let's see. We can do here a spawn rate. We don't want to loop it infinitely. What if we do like two? Okay, yeah, that's not quite what I imagined. Why is it disappearing so fast? Do we have... Oh, we don't have any... There should be alpha adjustment on the end. Yeah, we have a color. There we go. Spawning a bit too fast, but other than that, seems pretty good. And let's say loop duration... it goes a bit too fast. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to prolong the lifetime. Let's set this to about 2, and we can set our loop duration to something higher as well. Yeah, okay, I feel like this is pretty good. It's not bad. Can randomize this maybe a bit. You know what? Nah, we're gonna randomize this velocity. Let's say we can always do with somewhere between 0.2. Z is gonna be always like up. We don't wanna really change this ever, but we can change which direction it goes in. Oh, I can adjust this a tiny bit. Let's go between 0.5 to minus 0.5. Ah, it's not bad. Let's lower these spawn rates slightly to like 0.5. We can't have it that low because it's not gonna spawn immediately. Okay, let's do 2 and let's actually adjust the multiple loops. Do we? No. Yeah, after we can do multiple loops. Let's do like 3 loops. Yeah, like this. I do think, what are we thinking, guys? Maybe change the color, but other than that, I'm pretty happy with it. Why is it, wait, why is it yellow? What's adjusting the color here? Oh, it's the parameter itself? Okay, yeah. What do we have in the feeling good? It's gonna be green, yeah, of course. More fly up? I think so. I'm not so sure because you gotta realize it's gonna be spawning on top of their head anyway. Maybe we can do a little bit. But I wanna first properly see it in the world. And based on that we can decide. But let's see. I think sleeping is blue. I can clearly tell that going to sleep is bluish, so that's what we are gonna do here. Perfect. Okay, let's try to add it here. So we wanna trigger it from what's the function for it? I forgot. Oh, come on. Play emoji, and we wanna do it inside a state tree. So let's go into sleeping. I can probably do it on our waiting to wake up. No, in our start sleeping. So here we have a sleeping event. Let's find it. I want more content browsers. There is never enough content browsers, not gonna lie. Okay, car. No, wait, we don't want to be in the content. We want to be in the plugins folder. Oh, this one is not showing me correctly. Wait, what? What happened with the filtration setting? That's weird. There we go. Plugins needs based AI, and we're looking for. Wait, no, we are looking for our STT, and then we have sleep. Okay, start sleeping, and then it finishes task. Okay, and okay, I see everything is handled here, so we're just gonna simply call it in here. Start, no, play emoji. Oh, it's still NBA. Okay, I have to change this to NPC. NPC base. Yep, it should fine. It shouldn't really break anything. Okay. Wait, what do you mean indexing it? You don't need indexing anything. Stop lying to me. Emoji. There we go. Now we got access to it. There is no too much content browser or too much monitors. Yeah, exactly. You can always maybe have more, and it's gonna be better. Let me rename this a little bit. So, harmony good. Niagara system. I hope I renamed the correct one. I don't think I did. Oh yeah, I did. It's fine. It's fine, guys. Okay, now we got our feeling fatigue, which is this one. No, it's not. To change the wrong one? Well, no, I adjusted it so much that it doesn't matter anymore. Okay. So we're gonna call this Lost Harmony Sleepy underscore Niagara system. Suppose Niagara system could be on top, but hey, don't yell at me, okay? Okay, so here, whenever we are sleeping, we wanna call our there we have them sleepy. Maybe let's see if he gets. Well, yeah, let's actually first see it in the game, and then we're gonna decide. All right. Let's see it now. They have all about the same parameters now, but you gotta realize it's gonna be very much randomized. It would be just a pain in the ass if it was randomized right now. Probably see it first with a pick now. Excuse me, where is my emoji? Hey, what's going on? Sleep at play emoji owner actor. This should be fine. Let's test it on something. I can test it on the. We're testing it on the pick right now, so let's just keep it there. This one is not gonna run anywhere. Oh, it's not playing. What's going on? Oh, is the Niagara system itself a problem? Or is it just not activated here? It could be just a preview issue. No, it's not. Oh, no, it is. Never mind. So why did it not play then? That's weird. Oh no. Oh wait, I may need to rebind it now. Maybe that's what the error was complaining about before. It will now think that the sleep is not properly. Oh wait. NPC base. No, this is fine. Huh. Okay, let's print here some string. Oh wait, I wanted to first get rid of that eating print string. I can just do it from here. Yeah, benefit of having my own print string is that I don't have to worry about print string being anywhere else. So this one we want to get rid of. Soon to be available to you guys as well. Soon means like month from now at the earliest. Promise, after I'm gonna be done with the demo, I'm gonna finish up this utility plugin. I'll hit a bunch more functions and you are gonna be able to get access to it. It's gonna be open sourced. Did I actually add it there now though? Let's see. I did it from here as well, right? Okay, that did not went exactly as planned. No, but it must have gotten here. There's no way it didn't, so... let's me just tag it here again. I wonder if there's some issue with when I changed the type of the variable, if it got messed up. Let's just print here a string. And this is our should play emote. All right. I just watched the pic. Jeez, are they all going on the same place? Where are you going, guys? Okay, now this one realized there is food to be gained. Oh, wait. That's not nice. Why is it coming in here so many times? We don't want that. That's not good. Is it the same bug that we saw before? I'm gonna have to add some weird debug or something like that. Ah, so it just keeps being called all the time. Okay, there we go. We have seen this error before. So first of all, let's just reset it. Let's just get here a new actor. Same bug like 2 days ago. Yeah, exactly. I am pretty sure I know what's causing it now. So potential culprit number 1 is that our state tree does not have properly set variables, which we have just eliminated. So it's gonna be so stupid if this is the case, but I'm gonna enable this and set this to nothing and move it below. So we're just, the only thing I'm doing is adding here a debug text. So not even adding a debug text, just enabling it and setting it so it doesn't print anything. Or if this is gonna cause trouble when I'm actually packaging it, I am gonna be very upset. Epic is gonna get so many angry emails from me. Well, I mean, up to all of those that I already sent, I mean. Oh, excuse me. Oh, wait, I got lost. Where are we? Should play emote. Okay, now it plays like twice, but that probably is not incorrect at least. Except the... Okay, I did not see the pic. Let's try it one more time. Let's see. Yeah, take your time. It's gonna go eat now. After that, he's gonna get sleepy. Should play him out. Yep, there we go. Okay, and now it works fine. So before that, it was resetting the Niagara. So you really have to put there a debug text just so it doesn't print a string. So it's just so it goes just so it continues. Let's try to just disable it. Let's see if it's gonna happen again. I'm just disabling the debug that doesn't print anything anyway. Let's see it, but yeah, I'm pretty sure that it's not gonna work now. It's literally just the same issue as we had seen last time. Yeah, take your time, little piggy. No stress here. Look at this walking ham. I mean, little piggy. Don't worry about anything. Like I said, this is cozy world. No one has any issues. But wait, now it didn't print it a single time, so we will see. Yeah. Okay. And it's not running because and it's not the issue isn't that it's not running. The issue is that it's running all over. Is there even a way for me to debug it? We're gonna just create a bunch of instances, I think, but let's see. Yeah, it does even this weird thing that it pretends like it creates this class like 1,000 times. Which we know is not the case, but he's pretending. And he tells me that all of these are selected because all of these are running at the same time. Gotcha. Not very nice, not gonna lie. Did we destroy this? Destroy session. No, that's different kind of session. No, I don't think either of these is gonna do it. So problem solve the way how to solve all of these issues is just to have here a debug that doesn't do anything. That solves the problem. That's kind of funny, not gonna lie. He's gonna come back here. I'm carving his food. It's okay. Now he's on his way back. It's like, yes, food time. Okay, print it just once. No, wait, is it still reprinting? Oh, that's interesting. So that means it probably keeps reprinting them all the time. So he still goes there, but that's so weird. I mean, it works now, that's fine. But what's happening right now is that on completed, he goes to waiting to wait up to... Oh, so that means he's being sent from there again. From this go to sleeping, because this condition is still true. Is tired is still true. So that means... Can I just set it to false again? Or... Yeah, no, this is sleeping, so... That's fine. Okay, where do I set is tired to not true? That's a bit annoying. I am so surprised that it goes back here. This thing shouldn't happen, right? This is independent task. The whole behavior should be happening here. But what's happening is that the behavior is here, and at the same time is evaluating it here. Which is probably where a lot of these issues come from. So what we gotta do is get our waiting to wake up. Nah. We have our sleep state that's using our start sleep, and here we have a be sleeping is true, but we're gonna have to add here one more thing. Am I running it right now? Yeah. Gonna have to get our oh, not this. Gonna have to get our B is tired. Oh, stop lying to me. There we go. And we set it to false. Otherwise, it's gonna keep on going there. Oh, that's so a bit annoying. Da, da, da. Now we have here our I'm setting it right here. See, when I stop sleeping, but that's not what I have to do. I have to do it right when I start sleeping. If we're unpausing timer for a sleep timer. Where are we doing that? Sleep timer is this one, right? This is what calls a sleep. This is what sleep timer calls. Yeah. Yeah, it says that it just upgrades it, and once it's over the threshold, it stops sleeping. Yeah, okay, that's fine. So, okay, it's gonna work now. Pretty sure. But that's so weird that I would expect that it behaves like these states don't run at the same time. But these two at least do run at the same time. And I'm not sure if it's a feature or a bug. Could be both, honestly. It's interesting. Just let it run right away. It seems weird that that would be a feature because, well, I guess it's not necessarily a problem. It's just that the way I'm using state trees makes it really difficult. Okay. Excuse me. Yeah, he's coming back. Now we should see it only once, and if we debug it, it shouldn't be more than once. Maybe twice if it's fast enough, but I doubt that's the case. Okay. Wait, what? How? Why is it being... That doesn't make any sense. Okay, let's see. We are in the state trees. Let's go back in here. It's in here for moving to sleep. For if it finishes correctly, it goes into eating. How is this decide next action working? This shouldn't happen. It's so annoying. There is no way this is a feature. There's no way you expect these to run at the same time. Because that would make working with them so incredibly difficult. Excuse me, I asked for a breakpoint. Oh, breakpoint don't work yet, apparently. I guess I can do like enter conditions, but... Okay, I can say that it can enter it only when... I don't know. Only when sleeping is false. Left and false, yeah, only if it's... Wait, no, the opposite, right? Only... Yeah, no, I'm right. Only if it's false. Let's see if it's gonna create that bug again, but no, it should be fine, actually. Like a hunter here, sitting and waiting for the pray to come back. Oh, he went to sleep there? Come on, really? The fuck? Is it still running? How? Explain to me, how can this run? This doesn't make any sense. Yeah, okay, I'm pretty sure that's a bug. So I have to keep this, wait. Oh, I think I set here a wrong condition. Never mind, maybe it's just me being stupid. This should be... is tired, right? Okay, guys, that's a bit embarrassing, so let's pretend that never happened. Yeah, this our B is tired, should be false. Maybe I'm just stupid. Okay, that's such a nice programming tonight. Very relatable, I suppose. Okay. Got out is sleeping and is tired, is false. Let's try it now. Okay. Let's see it now. Okay, let's go. I certainly hope that's gonna work. I hope that wait, that condition shouldn't have gotten set, right? I did not save it. Yeah, it's not set, that's fine. Wait, where did he go? Excuse me. Just get stuck now? Is it some different bug or? One thing I'm really missing here is to being able to just step through it and see it moving in real time. I can't believe they did not implement this yet. This is such an intuitive feature. Okay. Do, do, do. Is he not hungry? What's going on here? Getting such a nice turn around the building. Excuse me. Should play oh no! No, okay, never mind. This just doesn't work at all. What the fuck? I feel like I'm losing my mind here. What's going on? Okay, so we are not setting this apparently. Gonna wait, this is gonna stay. Where was it originally? Wait, I can just look into version control. Find food space and PC base. It was under stop sleeping. And it's apparently just gonna repeat. Are you kidding me? This is so unnecessary and stupid. Hmm. Okay, so now it should be on into the same state we had it working before. Jeez, I should have sent it to a version control just so I'm sure it works. Oh, that one's on me. Okay, it's gonna go eat. Mm-hmm. I was gonna keep doing that. That's so unnecessarily. Okay, never mind. It messes up again. So this state keeps running. I'm just gonna write it as a separate task. I'm just gonna have to properly sit on it. That's so incredibly annoying. Starting to seriously regret these state trees. It was a mistake. Okay, we have here tired is fine. Hungry. I got some state for hunger. I just want to finish up the Niagara systems and then we can continue with it. So with something like tired. Wait, now we already have tired, right? We have hunger. We're looking for hungry. Eating. Okay, it's good. That works. Even the color is pretty good. Let's just steal it from. Let's maybe rename it first. Alright, and we can steal it from our feeling good here. So this is gonna have a color is fine. We're gonna just steal our style scale sprite size. There we go. And this one we can just not call task and call it hungry. I don't know why I called it task. Okay, let's see what else do we want here. Playful. Okay, I can kind of see this working, but it's not quite. Exclamation, maybe? Okay, this is kind of funny. I like it. Okay, so wait, interrogation? No. Okay, I wanted exclamation. It's gonna be lost harmony underscore, and this one we can. Wait, is this question mark? Did I want to do question? No, I'm going crazy here. Wait, this should be exclamation, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it should. Yeah. Okay, it's fine. I'm just going crazy here. And we can just copy scale, both scales, price, and color. Yep. And maybe make it a little bit more friendly. So let's say it's gonna be like a yellow, maybe pink. Let's see about it. Equal jumping after it. Let's see. So yeah, we wanna start with it whenever this gets triggered, but this can actually be triggered from the uh, Fox itself. We can just this one is easier, so let's just do it in the Fox. Whenever this happens, we can play emoji and do here our lost harmony exclamation. Okay, and what was the other one when he's hungry, right? Yeah. So that's happening whenever we wanna move to food, finding food. So right after we find it correctly, we can just look for one. So and PC base. This feels like it's gonna mess up. Oh no, what are you doing in the good sky? You shouldn't do anything there. Either way, you get this. And play emoji. Set this to not exclamation when he's hungry. Okay, I like that should be it. Let's get here let's get here just Fox for testing, and then we can see. Okay, just chilling. Walking around, no issues around here. Let's land on her. Make this trekking a little bit easier. Excuse me, would you mind letting me land? Apparently not. She's chilling, guys. Don't worry about her. Okay, she got stuck apparently. Okay, our sleeping works. This keeps playing way too much, but hey. Does the job. Okay, now it's hungry. So I understand now why it's happening. It's wrong, and it shouldn't happen, but it's pretty cool. It's cool, right? I like it as well. Well, except this part. This part is pretty strange, but it certainly is pretty cool. Well, I suppose this is sort of a surfing here. Okay, let's just test it. Wait, I can maybe just do here a temporary fix. Well, you know how it is, guys. Everything is always just temporary. Looking for food follow the... No, this should already be the case, so never mind then. There's something freaking out if now. Nah, I wish. It's the state trees. So what's happening? I know even what's happening. I just don't know how to prevent it yet. Is that we have our different states, and what's happening is that this this state, this decide next action, keeps repeating itself. It keeps running even if one of these is running. So even if you transition properly from it, it just still keeps running. So I'm gonna have to just rethink a little bit this and then decide on it. But I first wanna kind of check this. Just want her not to fall asleep quite yet. Just wanna eat, want her to eat properly. Distances are a bit too far now, so we just explore. Okay, we can at least get her to play. Let's see if that Niagara works. No, okay, now she's gonna just fall asleep. That's fine. Let's try the playing part. Okay. Excuse me. Oh. Okay, there we go. Outsmarted her. Where does it keep? Oh, it's probably Niagara setting itself. Let's fix it there. No, the nav mesh is not the issue. There's nothing to do with nav mesh. It needs very similar condition to this. Like it's doing something. If this is true, I can actually probably maybe use this in a way. It's the problem with state tree. Nav mesh doesn't have an issue. Okay, so this one keeps on going forever. So we wanna first make sure it lives for longer. We wanna make sure that it plays just once. Alright, and I want it to go up. Or we can probably just adjust the location, so. Nah, yeah, we can adjust the location a little bit, but mainly it needs to go higher. So this is small, but we wanna adjust here a offset mode. Let's set it should be about 50 up here. It's probably a bit too much, like 20. I'm scared of state tree, simple blueprints for now. Yeah, I gotcha. I really want to build in on them because I want to make it as a plugin that's fairly universal, but they do make it difficult. I could have just written my own system and would have been probably much better with it, honestly. And we shall see. It's also useful to know about it. At least I know what not to use next time. Not sure if I'm quite there yet, but yeah. Let's see, we can do about 10. 20. Working on a tutorial from Mixamo to UV5 and a link needed to blend space animation print. Gotcha, that's a good tutorial. Probably people find useful. Just to burn it, yeah. It's a common issue. Why is it not adding the velocity? What's going on here? Oh, it's because I'm applying it before? No. We are missing here solve forces. Why is it not complaining about solving forces? What's going on here? It was completely out of order. Okay, this could work. Maybe even too much, but I think this is gonna work. Let's try it now. Let's fly there. Excuse me, miss, wanna play? There you go. She goes, yes, let's go play. Oh, come on. Oh, she's hunting in here? Nah, she's just turning. There you go, I got it. And now she fell asleep after playing. Oh, that's lovely. Okay. Why is it still complaining here? What, why? How can you, if you know this is not valid, how can you have a problem destroying it? Why? Just put here some delay, I guess, but It seems like it shouldn't be an issue. Well, if it's gonna show up again, it's gonna show up again. Okay, I think those are all the base ones. Playful sleeping, yep. I can consider this done. Not in the testing, but completely. Very cool. We got some celebration in here. Let's just push it, and I think we're about done today. I'm gonna end it here, so if you got any last minute questions, goodbyes and all that, this is a good time. Wait. Okay, I see what I messed up here. Wait, I need to fix this actually. So B is sleeping should be set to false and stop sleeping. Shouldn't be B is tired, but where are we setting B is tired? I don't think we're setting it anywhere. That's what's causing so much trouble. Okay, either way, I'm gonna properly look into it later. So now it's not even updated because it's not changing anything. Okay, should be fine. So AI emotes. Fun gameplay. 10 out of 10. Gotcha. Well, now banned by China, so no one cares. But that's the case. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Everyone, thank you for being here. See you later, guys. Tomorrow, almost certainly, I'm streaming again, working. So we can stop by here and chat again. So have a good one, guys. Bye-bye. Good night. Or evening, or whatever time of the day you have. Just have a good one.